Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT without a phone number. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly, just simply complete the sign up process. So click on sign up, then just simply choose any of the ways to sign up. I'm going to choose Google. Now enter name, date of birth, then click on continue. Now after that, in the verification part, just simply go to a site called SMS Man. Just simply come over here, then click on the first link. Now give it a few seconds. Now after that, all you have to do is click on receive SMS. Now create an account over here, do a quick sign up, or you can also choose any of the ways down here. Now a verification mail will be sent to you on your email address. So just simply go ahead and confirm that. Now in your email, just simply click on confirm your email. Now just simply click on go to profile online. Now over here, just simply choose the number that you want. So firstly choose a country. So let's say I want the number from my country. Now over here select the service. So in this case we are going to need a service for ChatGPT. So just simply enter GPT. Now over here you will find the GPT. Now click on buy SMS. So as you can see right over here, you will need some balance. So to use the SMS feature in my country for ChatGPT, you will need 19 cents over here, as you can see. So as you can see, my current balance is $0. So you will need to recharge it. So for that, click on top up. Over here, just simply complete the payment process. Then click on buy SMS. Then you will be provided with a number. So after you get the number, enter the number over here, and whatever country you may have, just simply choose that over here. Then get the number, paste it right over here. Then just simply wait for the verification code to reach your number that you generated right over here. So after that, when you will get the verification code, just simply paste it right over here, and after that the process is simple. Your record will be made. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.